G'day guys, Sammy here in the BCF camp kitchen, and today we're going to be whipping up some camp oven damper calzones. Now, what is a calzone? Well, essentially, it's all the toppings of a pizza wrapped up in the base. Now, I know you're sitting there probably thinking, hey Sammy, you know you can just cook one of these in a jaffle, and you're dead right. But, how often have you been camping with some mates and you really want to just flex your camp cooking skills? You want to show off a little bit. Well, pull this one out of the hat and I guarantee they'll be impressed. Now, I'm going to be whipping up a meat lovers today, but you can do any pizza flavour that you like. Now, in a bowl, chuck in some cut up Cheerios, salami, diced onions and ham. Put in a good handful of cheese and then douse it all with your favourite barbecue sauce. Give it a good stir through. Now put this to the side and it's time to get cracking on our damper dough. For a basic damper recipe, add self-raising flour, mix through some cubes of salted butter, then add in cold beer until you have a nice springy ball of dough. Now flour down a cutting board, place your dough in the middle and knead it out to a large thin circle. Load your toppings onto one half but keep the edges clear. Also, pro tip, don't overload it because it'll only give you dramas down the track. Paint the edge with a bit of milk and carefully fold the other side over. Use your fingers to pinch the edges together so they stick. Now carefully manoeuvre it off the board onto some baking paper and a rack and place in the camp oven. A quick brush with some milk on the top side should see it going nice and golden brown, and now it's ready for the coals. Your cook time should be about 15 to 20 minutes depending on the temperature of your fire. But if you start to stress out, don't worry, crack the lid, have a peek and see how it's going. Righto, let's have a little look. Perfect. Well guys, that has come up an absolute treat. Nice and golden brown on the top from that milk. It looks amazing. Now let's cut it open and give it a taste. Straight down the middle we'll go. Everything inside's nice and melted. Beautiful. And the taste? Well, there's only one way to find out. It's so easy to do, but it is so tasty. Next time you're out camping, give this one a try and you'll be king of the campsite in no time at all. Have a good one out there, guys. Cheers.